Update TSplus Remote Access. Welcome to the TSplus Remote Access Update Center. Keeping your system up to date is essential for security and efficiency. For desktop, web, mobile, and enterprise editions, you can update Remote Access and each add-on module individually to the appropriate versions. Web Mobile Plus and Enterprise Plus solutions have a single interface for installing and updating TSplus bundles. All editions include a minimum 1-year subscription for updates and support. Stay on top of the latest features by regularly updating TSplus Remote Access. Our dedicated development team works tirelessly every day to ensure the stability and compatibility of TSplus with the latest Microsoft operating systems and updates. We are proud to offer new features and enhancements on a weekly basis. To ensure that you have access to the latest updates and bug fixes, it's important to keep your server up to date. By subscribing to our annual support and update services, you can stay on top of the latest TSplus releases. To check which version of TSplus you have and update it, simply go to the Home tab of your admin tool and check the status of your TSplus release. From there, you can easily update to the latest version and take advantage of all the latest features and enhancements. Upon the user's request, the software will then execute the program responsible for deploying the next updated version release of the product. The update release program is designed to keep your current TSplus settings secure. Although a reboot is not required after the update, it is recommended. If you do not have an active TSplus update and support subscription, you will not be able to run the update release program. TSplus Remote Access has been updated.